Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a peanut. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our peanut, we're going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go up and down. So we'll begin right here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come back down for the top of the peanut. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to curve it around and I'm going to bring it up to here just a little bit. You can see I went higher than the end of this line. Now I'm going to add a little face onto our peanut. To do this, I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'll leave some space and I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'll draw a little black dot for the pupil inside each one. Make a little line across. And a line that's going to go down and up. And we'll add a little curved line for the tongue. Then we can just color this part in for the mouth. Now, I want to add some lines on here for the peanut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making a little line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to curve to here. Then I'm going to go out and come down. I'll make a little line that's just going to come right to the mouth, and it's going to go down to here. Then this time we're going to curve the opposite way, and we're going to come back down. We'll do another one here. We'll draw a line that comes down to the eye. It's going to come in just a bit. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. We'll make another one right here. Then I'm going to make one that's going to go up and down. I'll make another one right here. And one more right up here that just kind of goes up and down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon peanut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.